The method we're using in this video is the proportion method. So our goal is to figure out this information here, the relationship between the final velocity of A compared to some factor of the final velocity of B. Now, if you'll notice here, if I am trying to solve for this question mark, I can divide both sides by VA over VB. So if I set up a ratio of VA over VB, then what's going to happen is I'm going to get that factor that VA is compared to VB. So I'm just going to do different colors here to use as a reference. Actually, first, VA, using this first equation, is going to be 2 times the acceleration times delta x for A. But delta x for A is really 9 times the displacement for object B. Okay, now for VB, we already have it. So for VB, my final velocity squared, which I need to add that to the green one here, you guys. So this guy squared, and then this is the part that goes on the bottom. So now I have my ratio. Make this bigger. Okay, so I have my ratio. So what happens is now I can cancel out everything they have in common. So you'll notice then in the end, what I have is the velocity of A squared over the velocity of B squared is equal to 9 over 1. So I can cross multiply. Let me move this guy over. If I cross multiply, I get the velocity of A squared equals 9 times the velocity of B squared. And then I just have to take the square root of both sides, and therefore the velocity of A is going to be 3 times the velocity of B.